TG Campus, after successfully completing its 2 years of operations in Hyderabad, relaunched its courses such as IIT, JEE and NEET, CA Foundation, IPMAT for BBM and BBA, SAT. These are the 6 courses that we have relaunched with good features, assignments, assessments, and doubt clarification classes from the experts of the industry. TG Campus has successfully delivered these courses to hundreds of the students so far. TG Campus is a US-based organization which enables its classes in Indian market spread across 6 places. Primarily, Mumbai being the headquarter, followed by Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chandigarh are the places. We have the set of IITians who are delivering the classes on everyday basis, and classes are conducted in small batches so that teacher can focus on to the students in delivering those classes, and they can personalize these classes, can clarify the doubts, can also be able to interact with the teachers and can make them as their role models. Not only teaching and learning, TG Campus emphasizes more on taking the topic-wise assessments, chapter-wise assessments and unit-wise assessments, which will help the students to identify his SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, and improve his performance and try to get a good rank in the particular entrance examination, thereby fulfilling his own dream and the dreams of the parents. So to fulfill the dreams of the parents, parents can trust TG Campus, join their children and give them in our hands to help them get the better ranks and better future. Thank you very much.